Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and I saw an interview on Fox with President Trump. He talked about a lot of stuff, but the issue I want to focus on is what he said about GM and electric cars in general. Obviously he's very angry about GM, about Mary Barra, who is going to close 4 plants, 3 in the United States and 1 in Canada, basically eliminating many of the sedans, I think 6 models, including my beloved Chevy Volt. And he said that she was nasty. And look, to close those plants is an economic decision by GM. If you watched any of my videos in the past, you know what I feel about GM and how they do things. I always say, once you get bailed out by the government, you don't get to say a lot of things. Anyway, they are a company, a private company. They can do whatever they want, and they don't sell sedans. And what are they gonna do? Like in the old Soviet Union, that you have to reach a quota of some stuff, and whether you sell it or not, that's how the system works. It doesn't sell, you don't make it. Announcing the closing of the plants right before Christmas and the holidays, that's nasty, that's mean. But it doesn't change the fact that those plants are going to close because of an economic decision. Actually, their stock went up after her announcement. But then he said, this is what I'm interested in. Then he said they're closing up these plants because they decided to go all electric. First of all, I don't think that GM ever said that they're going to go all electric. I wish they would. I would be a big cheerleader. I think they are going to invest in electrification, but as you know, these things take so long, and everybody's 10 years behind what Tesla has been doing. So he said they're going to change everything to all electric, which it is a mistake. He said it's not going to work. Maybe you should have a little bit of electrification, but not all of it, which is dumb. Okay, that's the only way I can describe it. So first of all, they did not say that they're going to do that, or go all electric. And then he talked about going all electric for everybody, that it's a mistake. Well, it's not a mistake, and that's what's going to happen. And it's just a matter of time before these companies who are not going to go all electric, they're not going to invest in full electrification, are just going to stay behind. And you know, frankly, you know, as much as you want jobs, and I'm absolutely all for it. Maybe manufacturing is not something that it's going to continue to be here forever, and maybe we can do other things, and I'm sure we can. But you know, investing in technologies of the past, like coal and oil and all that stuff, eventually it's not going to produce anything. Eventually it's going to be a thing of the past. Maybe it will be delayed, but eventually it will be extinct. So is electrification a mistake, as our president said? I know the answer. I want to know what you think about GM. Have you heard that they're going all electric? I didn't. I know that they said they're going to invest in that, but I never heard that they're going to say that. I think he just said it for no reason. Anyway, so let me know what you think. And meantime, don't forget to help me change the world. One electric, full electric, not plug-in hybrid, all electric car at a time. And please support my channel and subscribe and become a patron. I really appreciate that. I'll see you tomorrow with another episode.